Welcome to today's tutorial on how to color grade your video to achieve specific visual effects and emotional expression. Click on the canvas and then click the Edit button on the toolbar above. Turn to the Adjust panel and you will find various options to change the color and overall appearance of your video. You can drag the white dots to change the intensity of each option freely. Clicking the Compare button below will make it easier for you to judge whether you like the adjusted effect. If you have more than one video clip, you can apply the color grading settings to all scenes at once. Don't worry if you're not satisfied with the adjustments you just made. You can reset all options with just one click. That's all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more video tips and tricks.